Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raflial Furkan. Today I want to talk about the smoking habit in on campus. The habit of smoking on campus is complex topics with various aspects that need to be considered. Are some opinions about smoking habit on campus. Number one. Health impacts. Smoking has significant negative effect on health both for active and passive smoker. On campus, smoking can increase of the risk of chronic chronic disease such as cancer, heart disease, and respiratory disorder. Number two, campus environment. The habit of smoking on campus can affect the overall campus environment. Cigarette smoking can disrupt and the comfort, the comfort, the health of other students and can damage campus facility. Number three, influence on student smoking can affect student academic performance. The nicotine in cigarette can be impair concentration and memory, which can negatively impact learning outcomes. Thank you. Part 2. Turning question word in English. My name is Raflial Furkan. Name 64245 class 65 1B 25 Management Study Program of the Faculty of Economic and Business, Bina Sarana Informatika Cengkareng, Jakarta 2025. Definition of the word question in English. What is word question? Word question are these questions in English that beginning with the W and H word. What is the function of the word question? Word question are used by someone to ask for information that the interlocutor must give a clear answer. In familiar English, also known as open question. In other words, you cannot answer a question sent in from a word question using only yes or no. What? What is used to ask about things? Yep, as we know that question that serve to ask something or someone to relate to someone. Example, it is used sentence. What are you doing? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? What is your name? Siapa namamu? What do you think about the movie? Apa pendapatmu tentang film itu? What is the time? Jam berapa sekarang? What should I do? Apa yang harus aku lakukan? Where? Where if you want to find out information about the location or place, destination, and position of someone or something. Of course, that's right. Question is to use in where. Example of the question sentence: Where do they live? Di mana mereka tinggal? Where is your mom? Di mana ibumu? Where is your where where is my handphone? Di mana ponselku? Where are you headed? Kemana mau pergi, kemana kamu? Where should I park? Di mana aku harus parkir? Why? This one question function as a reason and cause finder. In this case, The reason can be positive or negative. To know the background or of something happening. Example are the follows. Why do you love me? Mengapa kamu mencintaiku? Why it did happen? Mengapa itu terjadi? Why are you crying? Mengapa kamu menangis? Why is he laughing? Kenapa dia tertawa? Why did you come too late? Kenapa kamu datang terlambat? When? Of course, when is used to talk when something happened. This question word is closely related to a verb of time which can be answered to this type of question. Example of use with the question when are. When do you find college? Kapan kamu menyelesaikan kuliah? When does the taxi arrive? Kapan taksi tiba? When did she leave? Kapan dia pergi? When will that fix my bicycle? Kapan ayah akan memperbaiki sepedaku? When will the meeting start? Kapan rapat akan dimulai? Which guys, how often you get confused about choice? Whatever is a choice related to goods, color, opinion, and etc. Well, you can use which to ask about choice. What is like question, but in the end class their own choice. Here an example sentence to ask choice. Which color do you want? Which extracurricular do you join it? Which one do you prefer, iOS or Android? Of all the drink on the menu, which one you like it? Which one do you choose, the left or the right? Who told you about my secret? Well, above this example question used in the question, who were to ask about people or something or subject. Other example are who opened the window? Who are you? Who is your favorite Korean artist? Who is your boyfriend? Who owns this bag? Warm. Well, so this English, there are different question word for the position as subject and object. If who has used to as a person was the status of the subject, then whom this type of question for the person has a position as the object of receiver of the action from the subject, so that you don't get confused. Pay attention to the example below. Whom are you going to meet? Whom did you see in the morning? Whom should we send the invitation to? Whom they Teddy talk to? Whom will you marry? How? Finally, there is a how you to use when you want to ask about manner or process, condition, and quality. This question also apply to asking about price and duration, frequency, age, method, distance, and quantity. Example sentence. How you can explain this problem? Please tell us. How was your exam? How far is Simrit from Pen? How much money do you have? How often you go to Bali in this year? How to form a word question is not only the 16 tense in English that have a formula in formation of sentence. In fact, there is formula for the English question about what question you know. Come on, see the explanation. Number 1. What question with auxiliary verb. Here's the formula for word question with auxiliary verb. Word question plus auxiliary verb to be or do or have plus subject plus main verb plus question. Example: where are you living? Where they live? What have they decided? Number 2. What question with modal verb. What that include modal verb include can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must. Here the formula. What question plus modal verb plus subject plus main verb plus question mark. Example: who would he stay with? What should I do? Why should we read the book? Thank you very much.